Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to show you the video tutorial on how to set up and how simple it is to set up a splash page with Second Splash to promote any of your offers. And a bit later on, I'm going to show you some proof of commissions and how, as a free member, you can earn monthly recurring commissions and even higher ticket ones with the proof I'm going to show you. We also, if you join our team, there'll be a link in the description where we give you all the free tools and all the free resources and training to help you promote Second Splash. And that's going to be a multiple income stream funnel with some additional commissions you can earn. So what you do is when you go into your Second Splash account, it's really simple. It says here on the left-hand side on the menu, add a new splash campaign. And you go on to this tutorial here. I'm going to play it now, just show you how simple it is to create a splash page. And then I'll come back at the end with the additional information.
Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to create our first splash page campaign. And this procedure is basically the same for free and pro members, where I'm going to be making use of a pro feature. I'll just tell you guys about that. But let's start off with free members. For free members, you will not have the ability to import pictures or download or upload pictures from your hard drive. But what you do have is you've got all these different categories here with images in them. So let's just select one. Let's say we go with music. We select the music image from the gallery. Let's go and preview it. Okay, I decide I like that. I want to use that image. I just click on use image. And as you can see here, step 2 has now become available. This is where we enter our text. We'll do this in this text box over here. As you see, as I type, it actually disappears or it updates in real time. But for now, I'm actually going to go back to step 1, just so that we can demonstrate the other features as well. These features are for pro members. And for the pro members, we're first going to demonstrate the import image. Now, to import an image, I've gone over to pixabay.com, which is a free image resource. And I decided that I want to use this sunset picture. So the way that I go about that is I just open it up in a new tab. And then from the new tab, I select the URL. I copy it, then I go back to my dashboard in secondsplash.com. I put it in there and then I click on import image. Once again, when we get to step 2, you'll see the new sunset image has been downloaded into our dashboard. Now for the last time, I want to go back to step 1 and just demonstrate what it's like if we're going to upload an image. But before I do that, as a pro member, every time that you import or upload an image, that image will be saved to your My Images folder. If I click here, you will see that we now have the sunset picture in there as well. It's saved there as well. So if we're going to go and upload an image now, it will also become available in your My Images folder. So for now, let me choose an image that I want to upload, and I'm going to choose this image. And then I click on upload. And now the uploaded image is available in step 2. From here, we can edit our text. Now, I've already made and typed out the text that I want to use. So I'm just going to go and copy it from Notepad. Go back to my dashboard, select the text here, paste. Okay, and I'm just going to move my text a little bit more towards the center. And while I'm doing that, let me also center the actual text. And I'm going to move it a little bit more to the center from the right as well. And then I'll choose the demonized font as my font for the text. Give it a text color. For text color, I'm going to go with something like that. And then for the outline, I'm going to make that red. That's it. I'm happy with that. So once I'm happy with it, I click on Save Step 2. Okay, Step 3 is available to pro members, where you can have an extra text placeholder to enter more text if you need to. So this time around, once again, I'm going to go and select the text that I typed out earlier. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it in here. Now, obviously, this is optional. If you don't want extra text, you can just remove it. But we're going to enter it. And then once again, I'm going to move it up a little bit. Maybe to there. Let me center the text again. I'm going to take it up a bit. Right about there. Give it the Road Rage font. And this time around, I'm going to make my text color red. And I'll give it a stroke outline of yellow, something like that. That's a bit too dark. Let's go more yellow like that. That's it. I'm happy with that. And then the last thing I'll do is I'll add a call to action. And my call to action I'm going to go with this button over here. So once I've chosen my call to action image, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, maybe something like that, and then move it over here. That's it. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Happy with my text, happy with my call to action. I'm going to click on Save Step 3. And this is the last stage before you actually publish your splash page. This is for free and pro members. The first box that you're going to enter text into is what you want to call this campaign. Now, for this one, I'm just going to call it something like Baby Walk. Okay, then you've got a 140 character limit that is used for when people share your splash page with their followers on Facebook and Twitter. And once again, I've already typed out my marketing message that I want to display to people. I'm just going to copy and paste that in there. And then the last entry is where you actually want visitors to go when they click on this splash page of yours. So since this is just a demo, I'm just going to point them to the secondsplash.com website, like that. And that's it, I'm done. And I'm going to click on Save Splash Campaign. And once my campaign has been saved, I can just go and copy this link. This is the link that I'm going to promote so that people can see my splash campaign. So if I open up a new tab, paste it in here, then this is what we will see in the end. There's my campaign that I created, and it also shows one of the splash pages belonging to my sponsor. And that's how easy it is to create a campaign. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
So you'll see there how simple it is to create a simple splash page. I wanted to share that tutorial with you. And you can also, as a free member, you can also earn monthly recurring commissions. So you're not only getting viral passive traffic, you can also earn monthly recurring commissions. And I'm live in my Gmail account here. You'll see this one here as a commission I received. I think it was 6 days ago. 6 days ago here. And this referral paid up front for the whole year. But you can get monthly recurring commissions as a free member, and even higher ticket ones if like this. You get 25%. I'm an upgraded member. You get 25% as a free member, recurring commissions, and 50% as an upgraded member. But it can be free, free for life. It's not compulsory to upgrade. And if you join our team, there'll be a link in the description where you can join our team. And we're going to give you these free resources and free tools to help you promote Second Splash and earn commissions. This is a done-for-you funnel, and just copy and paste in a few clicks. We use the Leads Leap tools, which is a free lifetime membership again. So you get this lead capture page. You've also got this done-for-you funnel. I'll put the links in the description. And it's all video tutorial step by step, so you can join Second Splash through there. And it's also using the Leads Leap tools. So you're also going to earn as a free member. You can put your Leads Leap affiliate link in here. I've got a 20-minute tutorial here taking you step by step through this whole funnel. So it's all beginner friendly. If you're brand new, you haven't made any commissions yet, or you're looking to get some traffic, we give you all what are called share codes. These are just copy and paste, putting these into Leads Leap, and then you're going to get your traffic, your funnel to promote, and then even as a free member, you can earn commissions from Second Splash, and you can also earn monthly recurring commissions from Leads Leap as a free member. And a step-by-step beginner's tutorial there on how to get everything set up. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because if you give me a like, that's going to help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently at the moment, I've got over 850 videos on the channel, and I'm doing several new videos every single week. So creating new content several times a week for you. If you've got any questions at all on Second Splash or the funnel, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I've also got my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description is where you can set up a free account and join our team, and then follow that tutorial that I've gone through today, and then you can set up your first splash page and start to promote any of your offers that you choose to promote, and also promote Second Splash and start to earn some monthly recurring commissions even as a free member. Thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.